for my daughter and I, it's like this will be a means to get to that point. So I appreciate the input on that.
For sure. And I'm telling you, whatever goal you set for yourself, you'll be able to hit it, right? And here's the other cool thing. If you're working the process, you can go to bed every night going, man, you know what? I didn't close a deal today. I didn't get a contract out, but damn it, I did not leave until I made $135. I feel good about myself. And that's the killer. That's what kills everybody in sales, is they're all, hey man, I want to be 116% of plan for the year. And everybody says that right about now. And then 4 months goes by and they're 7%, and Roth's their manager and has them on a PIP, a performance improvement plan. And all their motivation goes out of the water and is replaced with, well, I want to keep my job, right? That keeping your job, not getting fired, doesn't motivate anybody. But if you're like, man, I know what my numbers have to be, and then you can be dead honest with yourself. Man, I made 14 calls today. Was supposed to make 135. That's on me. I own that, right? I'm gonna shut the light off. I'm gonna close the laptop lid. And today was unacceptable, right? When you can be your own manager, there's nothing your manager, your vice president, your CEO can tell you that's gonna motivate you more than you've motivated yourself, right? Once you know that, and by the way, it's not micromanagement. That is the most liberating, freeing feeling in the world. Nothing feels more free than you knowing, man, if I just do these 18 things every day, make 135 calls, check up on everybody that's had a quote, people that have been sent a quote, I'm going to call them 7 days from now. When you can just go, man, here's the stuff I need to do, you're free. Because you know if you do that stuff, the numbers will work themselves out.